we'll guide you through how to download Streamlabs. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the official Streamlabs website, which is streamlabs.com. Once there, you'll see a download button right on the homepage. Click on it to start downloading the installation file. After the download is complete, open the file to begin the installation process. You may need to confirm a few prompts depending on your system's security settings, so make sure to allow any permissions that pop up. Follow the on-screen instructions to install Streamlabs on your computer. Once installed, open Streamlabs and you'll be prompted to log in. You can log in using your existing streaming platform account, like Twitch, YouTube, or Facebook. This will link your streaming account to Streamlabs, allowing you to access all your streaming settings and alerts. After logging in, you'll be guided through the setup wizard. This is where Streamlabs will configure the basic settings for optimal performance based on your computer's specifications. You can always customize these settings later to better suit your streaming preferences. Once the setup is complete, you can explore the various features Streamlabs offers, such as customizing your alerts, setting up scenes, and adding widgets. Take some time to familiarize yourself with the interface so you can make the most out of your streaming experience. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.